What is aging and why do we age? Find out more in this video. What is aging? Aging is defined as a gradual and continuous change in our body as we reach early adulthood, or in simple terms, getting old. Like it or not, you, me, and everything else in the world gets old one day. Now, do you know that each of our organs has a timeline for aging? Here, as you can see from the table, certain organs will express signs of aging at different times of our life. For example, take a look at our skin. It is said that wrinkles, which is the first sign of aging, will start to develop by the age of 25. Our hair will start to drop or grey by the age of 30. Also, in our early 30s, some may realize that our muscles will start to shrink and become difficult to build. What about our heart, our kidney, and our liver? Each of the individual organs has their own timeline that shows signs of aging. Now, someone may ask, can we measure aging? The short answer will be yes. But it involves complicated science and advanced technology. For example, measurements of certain biomarkers in our body to determine the rate of aging. Scientists have basically found 9 ways, or basically 9 hallmarks of aging that explains why a human body ages. The first sign is altered intercellular communication, which is the progressive loss of cells' capacity to send important signals to each other. Secondly is genomic instability, which is the loss of DNA's repair properties through cell division and the simultaneous increase of the number of mutations. The third sign will be telomere shortening, which is the loss of the protection of the end of our chromosomes, triggering a possible loss of genetic information through cell division. Next is epigenetic alterations. This is a change in regulation of gene expression, sometimes triggering the decrease or increase of the expression of a given protein. The fifth sign will be loss of proteostasis, which is the loss of proper folding for synthesized proteins in our cells. Next sign is deregulated nutrient sensing, through the loss of signaling pathway for insulin and certain protein channels. The seventh mark will be a dysfunction in mitochondria, which is the energy production in cellular level. Next is cellular senescence, which is when some cell's activity is put on hold as a response to cellular damage, a protection mechanism that inactivates too many cells as the body ages. And finally, stem cell exhaustion, which lowers our regeneration capacity. I'm sorry guys, I know there's too much information to talk about. No worries, I have a link in the description below, or you can click here to watch an animation from TED which explains perfectly clear and simple for any layman to understand. Also at the description below, there will be a link for the original article regarding the 9 hallmarks of aging, which any one of you may be interested to read on further. Now that we have a fair bit of understanding on why a human ages, wouldn't it be interesting to know if scientists today have found solutions that benefit human beings to stop or reverse aging? Find out more on my next video and we will talk just about that.